Hello everyone. Do you know which rivers are very important in your European part of the world? If you do not know the answer, let's find out in this video. If we talk about this particular map, it will be able to clear your concepts about various rivers. Now let's talk about the first river that is located in the Iberian Peninsula area, that is this part of the world, that is Tagus River. Tagus River originates from the Spain area and it drains into your Atlantic Ocean. Then another important river which originates from Spain part, that is Ebro River, and it drains into Mediterranean Sea. Remember this part of the Mediterranean Sea is known as Balearic Sea. It is also known as Balearic Sea. Now let's talk about one river that is originating from France part and draining into English Channel, that is Sinai River. That you have to remember, it's in the France part, and it drains into your English Channel. An important city like Paris is located on the bank of this river. That you have to remember. Now let's talk about the Thames. It originates in the UK part and London is located on the bank of Thames River, and it drains into North Sea. Now the next important river is Rhine. Majorly this river is in the part of Germany and it drains into your North Sea part. That you have to remember. In between the next river, that is Elbe, it also originates nearby the area of this is your part of Germany and nearby areas, Czech Republic and all, and it drains into North Sea. So four rivers, Thames, Rhine, Elbe, and in between them is your Weser River, which also originates from your Germany part and drains into North Sea. So four important European rivers drains into North Sea. These are Elbe, Rhine, Weser and Thames. That you have to remember. Now let's talk about the Baltic Sea. Which rivers drains into your Baltic Sea area? So for that you have to remember Vistula. Vistula Poland वाले area से originate होती है and nearby Ukraine part. So it drains into this Baltic Sea part. And we have one more river that originates from the Poland part, that is Oder River, O-D-E-R. This river also drains into your Baltic Sea. Now let's talk about the Black Sea, not particularly Black Sea, we will be talking about Sea of Azov. This particular part of the world is known as Sea of Azov, and Don River that originates in your Russian part drains into this particular sea, that is Sea of Azov. Now you have to tell me this particular part, the strait which connects your Sea of Azov with the Black Sea, the name of this particular strait is, write down in the comment box. Now if we talk about this particular river, that is Volga River, originating from the part of Russia, it also drains into one of the most important sea, that is Caspian Sea. So I hope you are able to link these rivers with the sea or ocean in which they drains into, because last year UPSC ne same kind of question they have asked, in which they have asked about the drainage of particular river. For example, they asked about shayad Mekong River and it was a match the following type of question. So that's why we have covered all important rivers and the draining pattern of these rivers. Now one of the most important river that passes through almost 20 odd countries, that is Danube River, which you have to remember, starting from this particular part and drains into your Black Sea part. So this river, Danube River, it almost passes through, it starts from the Alps. Switzerland में Alps से start होती है and it almost passes through 23 nations or 20 odd nations and drains into Black Sea. So that you have to remember. I hope my questions are clear to you, because you are not answering in the videos. I have asked you like the Sea Azov connects with Black Sea with which strait? Pehla question. Second question, the countries which are located near your Caspian Sea. Okay, this is the second question of the day. Now, third question, the countries which are located near Black Sea. This is your third question. And the last question of the day, second last question of the day, that is countries which are known as Baltic nation. And the last question, name the countries which are located near your which area? Mediterranean Sea area. So these are the questions which you have to answer in your comment box section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.